Hello, today's lesson is called Reuse and Recycle. So we're going to be talking about materials and how we reuse them or recycle them. So let's start with some vocabulary. Number 1, recycling centre. A recycling centre where you take old materials to recycle, to use again. Recycling centre. Bottle bank. Bottle bank. When you go to the recycling centre, you might take old bottles or jars, things made of glass. You put these in the bottle bank. Carrier bag. Carrier bag. When you go to the supermarket and do shopping, you put your shopping in a plastic carrier bag. And these we can recycle. Paper. Paper. Lots of paper gets wasted. When we're finished with it, we can recycle it. We can use it again. Paper. Metal. Metal. Things like tin cans. When we're finished with them, we can recycle them and reuse them. Metal. Battery. Battery. A battery is something you use with electrical items to power them. Battery. Chemicals. Chemicals. We have to be careful with chemicals. They can be dangerous. Oil. Oil. We use oil in cars and other machinery. Oil. So there's our vocabulary. Now let's try an exercise together on the board. Number 1. Dad got something on his clothes when he was fixing the car. So what did Dad get on his clothes when he was fixing the car? Number 2. My torch isn't working. It needs a new what? My torch isn't working. What does it need? A new something. Number 3. We take all our rubbish to the what? Each week. So where do they take their rubbish each week? Number 4. Batteries have got what in them? What do batteries have in them? Number 5. Can you take these bottles and jars to the something, please? So where would you take bottles and jars? Number 6. We put all the shopping in a what? What do we put all our shopping in? Okay, so see if you can remember that vocabulary we just looked at and choose the right word for each sentence. So number 1, what did Dad get on his clothes when he was fixing the car? Dad got oil on his clothes. Number 2, my torch isn't working. It needs a new battery. Okay, battery. Remember? It's what we use to power electrical goods. My torch isn't working. It needs a new battery. Number 3, where do they take their rubbish each week? We take all our rubbish to the recycling centre. Okay, so you can take all of your rubbish that you use in a week and take it to the recycling centre to be recycled so that we can use it again. Number 4, batteries have got what in them? Batteries have got chemicals in them. So we should be careful when we recycle batteries because they've got chemicals in them. Number 5, can you take these bottles and jars to the bottle bank? Remember? There's a special place for recycling glass, and it's called the bottle bank. And number 6, we put all the shopping in a carrier bag. Okay, plastic carrier bag. Okay, well done. Now let's have a look at some words. And we're going to look at the prefix re. Re. Okay, so we can add re to words, to verbs, to some verbs to make new verbs. For example,